So you downloaded the Sports 803 theme, or you have a Blogger template, and now you're asking yourself, how do I actually add my own live TV channels? In this video, I'll show you how, and I'm gonna give you a universal gadget that works with any Blogger theme, even if you're not using the Sports 803 template. And if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it.
Now let's start with the easiest part. As you can see right now, I've resetted the theme, and right now it doesn't have like the live TV section. As you can see, it doesn't have it. Now all we have to do is to head over to my Patreon. Link is gonna be in the description. We head over to Patreon, and we head over to this app, and link is gonna be in the description. That points you to this Google Gmail. Sorry, the good driving. So after that, you're gonna have to click this and you copy all of this. After you copy like all of this, you copy all of this, all of it up to down. It's a bit large. It's a large file. But after you've copied all of it, you head over to your Blogger and you head over to your site, and we should take you to dashboard, and you go to this section of layout. For this type of theme, it's by a novice, so what we're gonna be doing is to put it anywhere that we want. And for me, I would like to put it in this section just below the match schedule. And this is for this thing. Okay, after pasting it, you click save. After clicking save, now we can restart the page and see if everything is done. Let's see. Now everything is done right now. Like the live TV section is added, and as you can see, I think it doesn't look that well in the light mode. You need to switch to dark mode if your theme supports it. That's how it will look a bit more better. As you can see, it has continue watching. It has the history, like watch history in case you watch some channels. These are the channels that I watch. And then you have like a TV guide which you can edit, of course. And it has like a share button in case like users want to share that section. And it also has a manage access. Okay, of course, to access this you need to place 8033, and as you can see here, we can add a channel. We can add like exclusive content to our site, and all you need to do is to add here your channel name, and then the logo, and you select the category, and then you select the quality of the stream that you're gonna be offering, and then you can add like a country and the language of the stream, so that your users like will know what is going on. And then after that, you can see it has a add button. Now this add button, this one like acts as a master. Like if you add a channel, let's say you add, let's say let me try and see. I have here a channel that I wanted to make sure we add, guys. Let's see, wait. This was the theme. Wait, I'm looking for it. It's called Booked, just for test purposes only. It's under public domain. You won't get any copyright because it's already under public domain. And all you need to do is to name your channel. For example, me, I have here like Bouquet Day 1, right? And then I have the logo of the channel. Sorry, wait. We check for the logo of the channel, right? It's here. Yep. And then after, we add the logo here, right? And as you can see, it shows. And then we add it to, like, this is more of a news and entertainment, so I'm gonna add it into the news section. It's not, no, let me add it into the entertainment section. And then the quality, it's SD, it isn't that much. And then for the country, I can decide and say Uganda. And then language, for the language, I'm gonna put Luganda because it's a Luganda channel, right? And then for the stream URL, if you want to embed the link, you add embed. If you need to play an M3U8 or an MPD file, you don't add the embed. You use the Mora, as we've been doing. I don't want to explain that anymore. Yep. And then if I want, I can add here like the domains that I want this like this website, this stream to be exclusive to, okay? But in this case, I want it to be like major for everyone. So I can first test the stream to see if it works. And as you can see, it works, right? Let me make it full screen. It works very well. I don't want to get copyrights. But anyway, this is a free, like, this is already in public domain. And after you click add to master, right? Sorry, add to master. And then it will show you adding, it's adding it. Okay. Adding to master. Then after that, you will see that you have here like some stats, like how many channels are there, like live viewers, configurations, this month, big views, and configurations here. You can change like the color of your template. You can change the mode, or because there will be like streams which are not working, you can disable this if you want those streams to continue showing. But if you don't want them to continue showing, you may leave it on. You can add, like, let's say if you know that like there is gonna be, let's say, a friendly match or any match, and then you can add it to any channel. For example, me, I'm choosing Sports 803, and then you can add the start time of the event and then the end time of the event, as you can see. Okay, and then you can add the league or the program title. Let's say Olympic versus Ney. Then you can add it to the EPG, so that will show up. Sorry. So if you add it here, that will show up to the template. Wait, that will show up to the template. If I add it, wait. Anyways, I'm having some issues with my screen. But anyways, that's how you do it. And let's see if Bouquet Day has been added. And we go here